With the 76-key Yamaha YPG-235 keyboard, power supply, Samson HP30 headphones, and an X-Brace keyboard stand where the YPG-235 sits on top, this package comes with everything you need to start making music right away. The YPG-235 is part of Yamaha's portable Grand Series and has 76 soft-touch keys that feature progressive key weighting, providing a lighter touch in the upper notes and a heavier touch in the lower ranges, just like an acoustic piano. For added realism, the YPG-235 features an accurate grand piano sound that has been created using the latest digital sampling technology, along with 115 additional instrument sounds, 12 drum and sound effect kits, plus 361 general MIDI compatible sounds that provide ample voices for exploring a variety of musical styles. Split and layer modes and onboard effects such as reverb and chorus give even more depth and sound fantastic through the built-in stereo speakers. The Arranger accompaniment engine includes 160 musical styles which can be supplemented or expanded upon with files from Yamaha MusicSoft and works in conjunction with the built-in song recorder sequencer to create custom compositions or backing tracks. The onboard Yamaha Education Suite makes the YPG-235 an equally good choice for beginners. This innovative feature teaches you to play by breaking down songs into individual components like rhythm and pitch and reconstructing them once mastered, all while allowing you to work through the lessons at your own pace. Even though the YPG-235 can run on 6 D-size batteries for portability, the inclusion of a Yamaha power supply in this pack is a handy bonus, along with the pair of Samson HP30 headphones, which are great for private practice sessions. These lightweight closed-back headphones provide crystal clear sound and have an adjustable headband for added comfort. The included X-Brace keyboard stand can be set at your choice of 5 different heights and features a spring-loaded knob for easy adjustment. Perfect for beginners and experienced musicians alike, the Yamaha YPG-235 makes learning the keyboard fun, and with the addition of the headphones, stand, and Yamaha power supply in this pack, you get everything you need to make music right away, all at an exceptional value.